Bro, I just realized something. Why do we act like alarm clocks aren't evil? Think about it. An alarm clock waits until you're in the best sleep of your life. Dream going crazy. Plot finally makes sense. Then it just starts screaming. No warning. No explanation. Beep. Beep. Like it caught you committing a crime. And what do? We apologize to it. Okay, I'm up. Why am I negotiating with a plastic rectangle? I hit snooze. It comes back. I hit snooze again. Now it's personal. At this point, the alarm clock isn't waking me up. It's asserting dominance. It's like, get up or I'll do this again in 9 minutes. And when you finally wake up late, who gets blamed? Not the alarm clock. You. That thing ruins your morning, your mood, your whole day, and just sits there like nothing happened. Remember this. If something ruins your peace every morning, it's not your friend. And if this rant sounded like your life, subscribe so my alarm clock knows I'm building an army.